All right, today we're going to have a look at this ALMCO vibratory mill or tumbler. This is a nice one, really nice shape, quiet, can't even hear it running. So right now we have it running at 440 volts, and what you see here is what you get. You got the basic machine and the electrical cabinet. The cabinet itself has a variable speed control in there, which you'll see in our photos, and you can adjust the speed of this motor, which in turn regulates the amount of vibration that this puts out. People normally put some kind of a liquid in here, so this is a drain hose to drain that liquid out. The red line, I believe, is just something somebody had hooked up there to have kind of like a wash down type of hose. And then you've got this white crescent ring on the top here, this black line. That puts some type of a soapy media on top of your stones in there to keep everything wet, and it's actually polish the parts with a polishing compound. And that's what this little pump up here is for. This will usually, you have a 55-gallon drum over here, and it will suck up at certain times and certain amounts. Over here, this basically 440, 460 volts. You got a variable speed potentiometer here. You've got your start and stop. You've got your, just turning the basic thing on. Then you've got your little process time. I've got it set for the minimum amount of time, which is 1 minute. So when I start this up, it'll run for 1 minute and then it'll stop. Problem is right now there's no media in this tub, so it really bounces around a lot. We have it on the floor, but we don't obviously have it bolted down. So anyway, I'm going to start it up. It starts up slow. It's not the starting that's the problem. It's really when it stops, it really shakes around a lot. So it's starting up now. And that's what it does. Your parts will go around and around and around and around and around and around clockwise until it's time for you to unload your parts, in which case you pull this lever over here, closing the gate, and then the parts will start to come up the separator chute and come out onto your table or however you want to collect them. So we'll just go ahead and watch this run, and when a minute is up, it's going to shut off. Like I say, it's very quiet. These things can be very noisy. There's really only one connection from the electrical cabinet over to the machine. It's just the 3 wires and a ground that go to this motor here. So that's it. That's the cycle. You can change your time to 20 minutes or 20 seconds or I mean 2 hours or whatever time you want in there. I believe 1 minute though is the minimum. That's the ALMCO 12 cubic foot vibratory mill. Thank you very much.